हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं दीपक वरु। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम हमारी पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लेक्चर सीरीज में लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कन्वर्टर के बारे में देखा था। अब हम यहाँ पे इन्वर्टर और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस वीडियो में हम जो देखेंगे वो है बेसिक्स ऑफ इन्वर्टर एंड द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इन्वर्टर। बेसिकली इन्वर्टर क्या है और उसकी एप्लीकेशन कौन कौन सी है उसके बारे में हम इस वीडियो में जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे। तो आइए चलते हैं इन्वर्टर की बारे में। हम इन्वर्टर के बारे में जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन प्राप्त करने की हम कोशिश करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज इन्वर्टर? तो हम सबको पता है इन्वर्टर क्या है। तो हमें पता है कि इन्वर्टर दैट इज डीसी टू एसी कन्वर्टर। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट हम यहाँ पे इन्वर्टर के बारे में लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज इन्वर्टर। तो इन्वर्टर क्या है? सो वी कैन से दैट डीसी टू एसी कन्वर्टर, राइट। इन्वर्टर एक ऐसा हम बोल सकते हैं पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कन्वर्टर है जो डीसी को, डीसी पावर, डीसी सप्लाई को एसी में कन्वर्ट करता है। अगर हम इसका बेसिक ब्लॉक डायग्राम, इसका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर अगर देखने की ट्राई करें तो हम देख सकते हैं कि इसका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर हम कैसे बना सकते हैं। सपोज दैट इज one kind of block diagram of inverter. Here we can see that we have an input that is DC input, and here we get the output that is AC output, right? So here we can write that the input of the inverter that is DC input and the output of the inverter that is AC output, right? So DC to AC converter, that is also known as inverter. Now in inverter we can use many power electronic switches. Like we can say that this DC to AC conversion is we can say is did with the help of many power electronic switches. Like here we can say MOSFET, BJT, or we can say transistor, right, etc. This kind of power electronics device that will be used with the conversion of DC to AC in the inverter, right. Here if we use MOSFET, BJT and transistor in the construction of inverter, then this kind of inverter is used for a low and medium power application. So here we can see that if this kind of switch is used in the inverter, that this kind of inverter used for low and medium power application, right. So whenever the low and medium power application is there, we can use this inverter for DC to AC conversion with the switch like MOSFET, BJT, transistor, etc., right. Now the question is that if we go for a high power application, then which device is used in this inverter? So we can say that for a high power application, the thyristor or we can say SCR is used in the inverter. So here we can write that for high power application, for high power application, SCR or also known as thyristor is used in inverter as a switch, right. So this is the, we can say, some of the basics of inverter. The inverter that is DC to AC converter that convert DC input into AC output, and if we use MOSFET, BJT, transistor as a switch in inverter, then this kind of inverter is used for a low and medium power application. And if we go for a SCR or thyristor as a switch in the inverter, then this kind of inverter is used as a high power application, right. Now let us see some of the application of inverter. Which are the application of inverter? So here let us see some of the application of inverter. So here, as we all know, the inverter that convert DC into AC, right? So the inverter, application of inverter, we can say that this kind of inverter used in variable AC drives. The first application, that is variable AC drives. Now the second application of inverter, that is in UPS. So the second application, that is UPS, uninterrupted power supply. The third application, we can say that this kind of inverter is used in static var compensator, right? So these are the three applications: variable AC drives, UPS, static var compensator. And the another application, that is this kind of inverter is also used in industrial furnace. So we can see that inverter that is used in industrial furnace, right? And the last application of inverter, that is in battery powered vehicles, right? So these are the some of the major application of inverter. So here the variable, in variable AC drives we can use inverter. In UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply, we can use inverter. As a static var compensator, in the industrial furnace, inverter is used. And the battery powered vehicles, that kind of vehicle also use the inverter, right? So these are the some basics of inverter as well as some of the application of inverter. So here in this video we will know about the basics of inverter, what is inverter, how this inverter will work, and some of the application of inverter. In the next video we will see about the classification of inverter, which are the different types of inverter is available in the market, and how we can classify the inverter with the help of its structure, this kind of power electronics which is used based on the output waveform shape and based on the input. So thank you, and in the next video